Let me teach you how to make soda soap. I will start by pouring 4 full cups of water into my production bath. The same cup you use from the beginning of your production is the same cup that you are going to use till the end of your production. I recently learned how to do this soda soap from one woman in my mom's street, which is why I have decided to share my knowledge with you. 4 full cups of water, and we'll be using 1 full cup of caustic soda. Listen to this part very well. If you are going to be using a very small cup, just ensure that you follow the same instruction. Use 4 cups of water and 1 cup of caustic soda. The major thing is that plastic that you use from the beginning is still the same plastic that you must use till end. If you are following, please type I am following in the comment section. Now let's continue. I told you guys that whenever I am teaching you something, I'll be teaching you as if I'm teaching a primary 2 student. Your own is to watch and rewatch till you understand, and also to encourage me by typing my thank you in the comment section. It is not mandatory for you to use the same particular cup that I am using, but any container you wish to use, any cup you wish to use, just pour 4 of it into a container. Then you take just 1 cup of caustic soda. Then you start mixing it together. We are now going to get into the major production. This is the part where we'll be introducing our PKO. 4 full cups of PKO. Remember, I told you that whatever cup you use from the beginning is what you'll be using till the end, because your measurement has to be very accurate. Remember that we'll use the same cup to pour 4 cups of water. Then we now added 1 cup of caustic soda. If you want me to teach you how to make PKO from the very scratch, please do well to request in the comment section. That same cup that we've been using from the very beginning, we are going to measure out 3 cups out of the dissolved caustic soda and then pour it into the PKO. If you can remember very well that from the beginning of this video, we measured out 4 cups of water into a container and 1 cup of caustic soda. So that 4 water and 1 caustic soda that we left overnight is what we are measuring out 3 cups out of. As we are pouring it into the PKO, just be stirring it. Please, if you know that you are following and you are enjoying my teaching, do well by appreciating and encouraging me in the comment section. One thing that can ruin your production easily is if your PKO is bad. So ensure that you get a very good PKO, or you do it by yourself, which is the reason why I am telling you that if you want me to teach you how to make PKO from scratch, do well by telling me in the comment section. So the remaining caustic soda water is what you'll be setting aside, like you can keep it for your next production, but please do not pour it into this particular production, else your production will be watery. Then you start stirring it together for about 5 to 10 minutes till you see that it is very smooth. Then you cover it for some minutes. It is not a must that you cover it for some minutes though. To avoid your hands peeling when you are using this soda soap, it is important for you to put glycerin, 5 ml of glycerin. Remember that whenever I am teaching you how to make even liquid soap, I always emphasize on adding glycerin to your production so that it can protect your hands against any chemical that might want to react badly. If you choose to cover for some minutes, please do not let it be long, or if not, it will become strong. So you take your cups or whatever you want to use. I always say this, that you see, knowledge, it is very, very powerful. Even when I see an opportunity to learn things that I'm not really interested in, I try my best to always learn it as long as I have the time. I remember during lockdown period when I learned over 16 things from the comfort of my home, not knowing that those things will be very useful to me as context and also to impact knowledge on others now, which is why I always tell you guys that if there is any avenue for you to learn something, for you to gain some knowledge, please always appreciate it. You can see how smooth the production has come out. And yesterday I posted one of the biggest Chinese factory that sell new clothes in Bill. So in case you missed the video or you didn't remember to actually drop my thank you in the comment section, please go back to my previous video and do so. God bless you. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to do soda soap. Why not just give me a thank you in the comment section? Let me quickly give you a summary of how everything went down. The first thing I did was to measure out 4 full cups of water, and into that 4 full cups of water, I used that same cup to measure out 1 full cup of caustic acid. Then I left it overnight so that it can settle down, cool down, and become transparent. The following day, I poured in 4 full cups of PKO into another container, original PKO, and don't forget that I used the same cup that I used to measure the water and the caustic acid to measure my PKO. After which I now use that same cup to measure out 3 full cups of caustic water, or let's just call it caustic solution. And like I told you guys before, that you need to be very, very fast, because the soda soap can become strong fast. If you think that my teaching is very, very detailed, why not appreciate me by dropping a thank you in the comment section? And now after some days, this is what we have. Another tutorial drops 8 a.m. tomorrow. So everybody to the comment section, everybody, where is my thank you, John?